In a quiet village in Nigeria lived an old couple, Papa Adaku and Mama Adaku.
Let's enjoy this beautiful morning.
Together, they planted yam, cassava, and maize, helping each other every step of the way.
I promise to always take care of you.
Thank you, my love.
The villagers called them best friends because no one ever saw one without the other.
Good news, guys. If you are already a content creator or a beginner, or you intend much interested of being a content creator, but you don't want to show your face, then this video is for you. A lot of people are into content creation without even having to show their faces on camera. I mean, you don't have any excuse for not being on social media. You don't have any excuse for not creating content. Guys, I recently opened a Facebook page, and sincerely, on that page, I don't show my face in the content I put up on my Facebook page. Guys, it amazed me with the video I was able to create without showing my face. Just within a day, I was able to accumulate, guys, I was able to accumulate more than almost 300 views, not to talk of the followers. So my people, you don't have any excuse. So long as you have your Android phone, you have your data, and you can talk, even if you don't want your voice to be heard. I mean, we have a lot of applications that can help you do this. We have, not in this AI generation, and you're still dulling and you're still procrastinating and you're still there saying, I'm so shy, how do I go about it? Guys, you don't have to show your face. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily generate video without having to show your face. Please watch this video to the end, because you will get a lot of value in today's video, especially when you've been hearing about creating videos using AI applications. How do you want to go about it? Please watch this video to the end as I share the screen recording on how you can start generating content without having to show your face and post it on YouTube, your Facebook page, any social media platform. Then you start getting engagement. Before you know it, you're already monetized. So please, you don't have any excuse, like I said earlier, for not putting up content. Whether you like to show your face, fine and good, or you don't have to show your face. So long as you can make use of your Android phone, you have data, then you let AI to do the work. And also share the videos you generate here on YouTube. They are very, very safe, and you can also share it on your Facebook page, any social media platform that might interest you. Please watch this video. I think I'm talking too much because I'm so full of excitement. Let's dive in right into the next clip as I share this screen recording on how the start to finish of how you can go about it. Thank you. So I've generated the story I want to use. So I'm going to be copying the first prompt. I'll go to my web browser, which is Chrome, and I'm going to be typing Flow AI. Flow AI is a free tool. You don't need to subscribe for it. Then you select the particular one. You will see I'm going to be highlighting it, Google Flow AI. So once you click on it, it will prompt you to sign in with your particular email address and create an account for yourself. So here I'm going to be clicking on new project. So here, once you come here, you see the interface. You first of all create images you'll be using for the video. So I'm going to be selecting Nano Banana 2. So, and it have to be under image. So reason is because so that you don't have to go and be using your free credit which they have given to you to generate images, because images normally are usually free. So here I'm going to copy the prompt and put on this search button. Once I do that, then I will send. So this prompt helps me to generate images I'm going to be using for my videos, right? So now it has generated the first images. So I'm going to be copying. Guys, if you want me to put you through on how to get this prompt, let me know in the comment section. I don't want this video to be too long, hence the reason I'm just going straight to the point. So here I'm copying the second prompt to generate the second video. to generate the second image I'm going to be using. So once you do this, then straight up, you can do 1000 images a day. It is free of charge. It is when you are now generating videos, you have free credit, and once that free credit gets exhausted, you have to wait after 24 hours for you to be able to generate more videos. So here I'm generating the images I'm going to be using for my video. So once you copy the prompt, and I'll just paste it on the search button and send. So you see, this is my second image which has been successfully generated. So I'll just download. To download, you long press on the image, then it brings you to this interface where you can download. You can see downloaded on my phone gallery direct. So here I'm copying the second image, the second prompt, so I can generate the second image I'm going to be using. So these different prompts, if you want me to put you through on how to get this prompt, please let me know in the comment section, please. I am here for you all. Anything, have any question, you're free to ask. Please ask any question, anything you don't understand, please, you're free to comment in the comment section with your question. I'm going to be attending to all of your questions. All right, so here I'm still generating the images I'm going to be using. Like I said, I'm just doing them off camera so that the video wouldn't be too long. So anyone I generate, I just download it directly to my phone gallery. Okay, so as I'm downloading them, I'm also creating more images. So here I'm still generating more images. So I will advise you just generate all the images you're going to be using to create your videos at once, so that it's going to be very, very organized and well arranged, so that you don't have to go and mix them together. So as you're generating these images, you're downloading them directly on your phone gallery by long pressing on any image you want to. Just see what I'm doing. So I long pressed on this image I just recently generated, then click on download, then immediately it gets downloaded into my phone gallery, just to save all your work, so that you don't have to start all over again. So here I have all the images down. I have all the images created. So on this interface, you'll be seeing video and ingredients. So click on both, then select any aspect ratio. Please let this be on 1 times, so that you don't have to go and be creating the video 2 times and your credit will get exhausted so fast. So click on add to prompt, then select the particular image you want to generate into video. Do you understand what I mean? So I'll be going back to my ChatGPT where I have the prompts I've already set aside for this video. So I'll be copying the first scene so that I can use it to generate the video on that particular image for scene 1 I'd already generated. Please, if you don't understand what I'm saying, please feel free to ask any question in the comment section. So I've copied the scene 1 prompt. I'll go back to my Flow AI, paste it. You can see it. So once I paste, I would send. So here you have to give it some time, because it actually takes a lot of time, especially when you're using the free versions to create your videos. Okay, it takes a while. So here, and once your network is not also strong enough, it takes some time. Sometimes you might even be seeing some errors. You just have to refresh. You will keep refreshing until it will start loading, and then you have your video generated. These are some of the errors you might encounter as well while trying to generate your video, but not to worry, is nothing to worry about. You just have to be very, very patient with it. It takes some time. So here the video is generating. Okay, you see what others are doing and they are cashing out. I mean, now here we have the video completely generated. I'm going to be playing this video so that, I mean, guys, so super perfect, very sweet and good. So but if you don't know how to use the correct prompts on your image, it's going to be mixed. So watch the video.
This fufu is very delicious, my dear.
I am glad you enjoy it.
So guys, thank you for watching. If you watch up until this time, kindly please subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so that every time I upload new video here, you will get notified to watch my latest updates. On this channel, I speak about YouTube growth tips, help new YouTubers do YouTube the right way, get monetized fast, and also teach you on every update you need to know in terms of making money here on social media. Please, if this channel is what you like, of course I know you would like this type of channel, please don't forget to share my videos to your loved ones. Thank you, and see you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you details on how to, if you want me to create a particular video on how you can generate the prompt, and more detailed video on how you can go about all this video generation on Flow AI. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much and have an amazing day. Bye.